Yeah, look at this. I mean, like I mentioned before, entry this Gann, and now look at this price is about to hit. See, 1/8. I mean, it's just beautiful. You know, just amazing. One contract. Oh man, almost 4K. So change this. So you just manage this thing. You know, be locking in like a nice, you know, locked in 3K on one contract. Oh man, it's unbelievable trading right now. So yeah, so this isn't published yet, and this isn't anything major. This is just what I call Gann Zones Pro, and the main goal of it is to be trading again A plus setups. So meaning if you're long, you're trading near a Gann, and you're trading for sure above the 200 EMA, and the VWAP is other ideal for sure. So once you have all that, this is for sure an A plus setup. I mean, because you're at the golden. I love the golden Ganns. Probably my favorite level. So yeah, and part of this came out of battling Friday. So I was trading really well on Friday actually until. So I mean, I think I got chopped up a little. You know, I know I did well here, and then probably got taken out. I remember some of these were just vicious drops, and eventually I came out with a nice long and was doing really well. And then I started shorting when it hit this Gann short, and I'm like, God, it's just. I mean, I don't want to counter trend, and I know that with Gann and day trading, you can do mean reversion trading, and I guess I'm just not there yet. I've been burned so many times trying to, and there might be days where it does ping pong, but you know, as I look back on this, I would not have been trying to short this because again, everything was above, so I didn't meet my A criteria or even B or even C. You know, so it's just there's no reason to because you look at it overnight. I mean, just Friday. I mean, so look at the great short here, right? Scalp Gann again. And as you can see, here's not everything's gonna be perfect. You'll scalp a little bit there, but maybe you break even because if you just weren't able to get profit depending on how you trade. And then when it peaks above, again, there's no long here. This is nice. It kind of keeps you from just trading because price went above Gann. You know, it keeps you from this long here. So it's nice. You could, as it comes back down, scalp a little bit here, or it's a break even trade if you're just a Gann trader. And look at this setup again. The VWAP's way up here, but what a great setup, right? At the Gann, above the 200, all lined up Gann to Gann. And that's the other nice thing with this. So now, just because price dips below Gann, I'm not going to short that. I need more confirmation. Yes, you get some, comes down, picks it up, and, I'm not saying someone can't be advanced and trade that kind of price action. And I don't even trade this pullback, even though it looks nice here. Everything looks big. It makes it always look amazing going back in time. It makes it look like you could be a magician at this whole thing. But as you can see now, as it comes down, yes, you get a triple top or a triple bottom here. It doesn't meet my criteria. Now, this is going to be, let's say, like a B trade. Because it's below the VWAP. you're not at a main gain, you're you're at a minor one or secondary. So I know what's an A trade now, right? It's just from just trading this. And then you go back in time. I'm not saying these, a C trade or a B trade can't be good. It's just you're aware of where you're at. And as it breaks above, this is like Friday. So again, just trying to mitigate some of my traps that I get myself into, as if the market is breaking up, just because it's breaking below a Gann, I'm not going to short. And I think I fell into that. Sometimes, you see a setup, like it's kind of like I call seeing ghosts, right? You look at this, so you have all this, but really this is more of a wedge, like a bullish wedge. But anyway, little patterns. And plus, if you capture, again, you should be like, I want to like capture my good trades and be done. And that's why, I was practicing my practice. So as I dial in my A setups, right? I love this golden trade. Again, this is not even a valid trade, even though it's nice. You get a nice Gann level. It does not add up to, I have to wait till price gets up here, and then you're gonna. Setups will happen. It's just being patient. So that's, I think, the biggest thing I'm trying to do. And again, before I'd be up here looking at a Gann, and then maybe looking for potential short. Well, that's not a part of my game plan anymore. At least going forward, at least for now. I wanted to be trading A and B, and maybe a C on occasion, but this doesn't even add up to anything. So just because, anyway. So just kind of another recap of kind of what I'm using. And if people like this, go in the Gann Zones Pro, I'll be happy to publish that. Again, it's just more, it's kind of like EMA / other stuff built in, just keeping me more visual on what I'm trying to do. So nothing too fancy with it. It's just my own visual for my dumb brain, just to keep me on the straight and narrow. Anyway, see you guys.